In this video, we will show you how to record audio on Google Slides. First, let's create blank slides. And in the Google Slides, there is no option or menu to directly record the audio, so we need to embed via Google Drive. After that, we can open drive.google.com sites and it will automatically log in into your drive because you are using Google Slides and no one to create the other account. After you are logged in into Google Drive, we need to record audio. First in here, I suggest you can using voice recorder by Microsoft Windows. It's free. Okay, you can click open to try your voice recorder is can open or not. In my case, my recorder need to be updated, but I don't want using this voice recorder. This is just I recommend for you if your voice recorder is can open. And in here I will using a voice recorder by is okay. This is US Records Experts. Okay, you can see there the free is unlimited. Okay, but there is playing time of each recording 1 minute, but the recording is unlimited, so we can click this menu to record the audio. If you want to record the screen, just select this option. If you want just to record audio, select this. And this is the second optional or second recommendation. The first recommendation is using the default application by Microsoft Windows using voice recorder. Okay, after that, to record the sound, you can select to record system sound or your microphone. Because I'm already using microphone to record this video, so I can just record my system sound. To start recording, we can just click this rec button. Okay, I will click this to make from system. After completed, we can just click stop. Okay, and we can open our file in here. Open the file location, and for example, we can copy this to something. For example, I will put into my desktop. Okay, this is my record, and if I play, it will playing because there is using mp3. Then we need to go to our drive. Okay, back to our Google Drive and click new and choose file upload. In here, just select your mp3 file and click open and wait until done like this. Okay, and then you can go to your presentation and just click again insert and audio. Voila, the record is appear in here. Just select. Okay, this is our audio. If you are using smartphone, I suggest you can using ref audio recorder. Okay, this ref audio recorder, if you are using Android smartphone or using the iPhone, so you can you can record the audio and input into Google Drive. Then you can find your audio is appear in the insert an audio menu on your Google Slides presentation. And that's all tutorial how to record audio in Google Slides. And sorry, there is no option to directly record the audio. Hope this video helpful for you.